So to color the ball is very easy. So if you just click on this, the hypershade, you want to create another texture. I would like to use a fawn this time instead of a lumber. Okay, you can use fawn because fawns are more shiny as the lumber we used before. Okay. If this is like too much thing here, it's quite distracting. What you can do is go to graph, clear everything, and go to fawn. Okay, graph network, input output select to graph. Yeah, you see you can add select graph. Okay, it used to be could graph network. Now it all changed. Yeah. So you only have the phone, you don't have other things. And then let's go to file, click on file. Right. File tool. And go to image. Click on image. I build image is called the ball color. This image is a perfect square image. It's 1500 by 1500 pixel. Okay. You can do 800, 900, 1000. That's fine. Just make sure it's perfect square. Okay. And click on OK. Yeah. And the middle click, drag this on top of the ball. Choose the color channel. All right, to decorate it. And select the ball. Select the ball with the ball selected. Right click and assign to viewport selection. All right, so you can see that the ball, I mean, it's really hard to see now, is fully decorated with this nice leather texture. All right, so that's how you decorate the ball. And it's shiny. Can you see that? The shiny. If you think it's too shiny, then go to the hypershade. Make sure you select on the phone. The reflectivity, you can change this, to something smaller. All right, so it's like it looks better, yeah. And of course, our floor is also not decorated. So much thing to decorate. I have to go back to my channel box. See, I lost my channel box. Can you see that? It become another editor. So if you just click on channel box, okay, because I need a layer, I want to turn the R off so that I can select the floor. Otherwise, there's no way you select it. Okay, it's here. Channel box is right here. Okay, if you click on that, you got a layer. Okay, it's actually called channel box / layer. Okay, now I'm going back to this and create another lumber. Too much lumber. Here, lumber. Where is lumber? Because floor, floor can be shiny. But that's okay. I'll make it shiny. I can change that later. Okay, I'll just use a lumber for now. And you wanna, where's that file? Yeah, click on file. All right, and middle click on this file and drop onto the lumber and do color. Select the color channel, and go back and select this file. Okay, this file, and you go to image name, the little folder. I have another picture. It's called the floor color. Unfortunately, my image is too small, but that's okay. Just click on open and middle click this on top of the floor. And you can see part of the floor is decorated. How are you gonna decorate the whole floor? It's not hard. Select this and go to, let me move this away, okay? Go to, that's rendering. I don't want rendering. Go back to modeling. Go to UV, okay? Click on UV editor. That's our UV editor. And you can right click, choose UV shell. If you select the whole shell and move it here and press R to make it small enough to be contained in this one of this concrete map. So your whole floor is decorated with this piece of concrete. Okay, but you see that this is not great because this is outside of the building. This is the inside of the building. You might want to have two color floors, two different floors. Oh. See, whenever this happens, where's my editor? Where's my UV editor? That's because Maya has a really foolish function. I said that is not helping you at all. Of you can freely arrange your window anywhere. Because I moved my window and dropped into this, dropped this. You have to drag it out. I really hate this function. I hope sometimes the program designer can listen to what the user use. Oh my God! See, this is really annoying. You just have to tolerate this. Okay. So now, what if I want this part to be this color, the gray color? Okay, and the later part to be the brown color. Is there anything I can do? Yes. Let's say go to edge. So you just have to select the edge. So that's the edge. So if you shift select all this edge, all right, and go to cut and saw, do a cut. You're separating this UV map into two. So right click and do UV shell. So you're selecting this piece of shell. See, only this piece is selected. I'm gonna make this window a little smaller. All right, only this piece. You can just go ahead and move that into the gray zone. Or I actually like this to be here. I can select this piece and move that to the gray zone. See the warmer? That's the outside floor. That's the inside floor. Okay. I think that's way better. So let me go to File, Save Scene As, or I can just do Save Scenes this time. Okay, I don't think it's gonna crash. And I'm gonna close this window. I don't need it. Close this hypershade. I don't need it at all. It's only right click and go to object mode and deselect everything. Now I can do another Playblast that really shows me a good project. Okay, so go in there, right click, Playblast, everything's okay. Ross, I'll name this or Playblast, blast maybe. Okay. I don't want that to be in source image. I want on that desktop. That works. All right. On the desktop, control. Yeah, that works. I'll just save that on desktop and do apply. See, this is the Playblast that shows everything. You see the line, nice motion of the ball. And let me go to view and loop. Loop this. You know, QuickTime Player, if you go to view, you can loop this. Nice motion of the ball, okay? And the curve, the curve action, the curve path, and the next textured environment. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for, okay, for this project. Very good.